Hey guys, it's Andy here with a thought of the day, and I have got a doozy. A colleague of mine, friend, and subscriber to this channel sent me a link to a letter sent from the Board of Veterans Appeals to a law firm, and it's mind-blowing, and it gives us some insight into why things are taking so long at the Board of Veterans Appeals. So to give a little bit of background, this other law firm, Chisholm, and Kilpatrick, CCK for short, they've been doing VA law for a long time. They have some very high-profile cases that they've done over the years, and they've really done a lot of great work. Well, earlier this year, they actually filed suit against the Board of Veterans Appeals because appeals filed there were taking way too long, years and years and years. I mean, we're talking legacy cases that should have been cleared up years ago. I've got cases that are taking over 1,000 days in some cases waiting for a hearing, and it's ridiculous. Well, this letter to CCK says, hey guys, we've got some insight into why these delays are occurring. And it is written by a group of anonymous veterans law judges. Now, to give you even more background, a veterans law judge is the administrative law judge that actually will handle a BVA appeal. But for them, they have a team actually of 7 to 10 VA lawyers who do nothing but review the individual cases, go through all the records, and then help the judges draft that opinion. And that way the judges can produce hundreds upon hundreds of opinions each year. It's a full force multiplier. So for every one judge, they might have 7 to 10 attorneys working on these files, getting them through the process. So that being said, some major changes occurred. First, they hired some veterans law judges who have no experience in veterans law. They might have other good experience. I know some of these individuals, and they're very smart and talented attorneys, but their background isn't in veterans law. So it's going to take them a little longer to get up to full production. But number two, probably the most important change I think that was listed, is that the VLJs are now responsible for managing and supervising their own team of lawyers. Now, you may think, well, that's not a big deal, but management takes a lot of work and time and energy because you have to review and rate and train and coach and mentor. I mean, management is a job, right? Well, the management used to occur was taken care of by a supervisory attorney, and all the attorneys that work for the judges actually were managed by this supervisory attorney. Well, now that the responsibility has been placed on the actual veterans law judges, the veterans law judges are being pulled away from their main job, which is reviewing cases and holding hearings on cases and getting opinions out the door. Now they're focused on management of a team of 7 to 10 people. So that's not even the biggest thing in this letter, and I've kind of buried the lead on this. This letter is so critical of the previous board chairwoman, Cheryl Mason. It takes her to task like I have not seen in a long time. It is gnarly. It calls her plans ill-conceived and poorly implemented. It's mind-blowing. Now, hopefully the new incoming chairman, Mr. Jaime Arizaga, can come up with some new plans. Hopefully he'll listen to this letter and listen to the concerns of the judges because they're in the trenches. But my goodness, this letter provides so much insight into this entire thing. I'm going to post a link to the letter in the bio, or rather in the comments of this page. Guys, if you like this content, if you like hearing updates about things like this, hit like or subscribe. So you can get more thoughts of the day and other videos that I produce to help shed some light on the VA disability benefits process from the perspective of a VA disability benefits attorney. With that said, take care, and until next time.